Yeah, hi. Today we have the Math Day being celebrated at school. So I want to teach you how to do this geometric abstraction, as it is called, these drawings. You can actually paint them, and this drawing would look simply awesome. Okay, so there are different shapes that you can find out here within shapes. So it goes like that. Okay, so these are they look puzzling to you, but they are super easy drawings. Okay, so I'm starting off by drawing a border of 1 centimeter. This is just for your sake, for your paper to look neat. All right, so take that 1 centimeter border and then get the center of your page. So the center of your page for me is like 19 and a half, so I will take it like 9 and a half. All right, and in the length in the length it is like around 26, so I'll take it as 13. So I got the center of my page here. Okay, there. So I'm marking a small X. All right, and I'm going to draw across. So I got 13. I'm just measuring out 13. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line across the center like that. All right, so that is around 9 and a half. So these are precise drawings, so you have to be like perfect when you do these drawings. Okay, so 9 and a half, 9 and a half. All right, right. Now from the center I'm going to take 9 to the breadth, and lengthwise I'm going to take 10 centimeters. So I'm going to mark out all these dots clearly here. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the halves also. So that is 5 here and 5 here. All right, so we'll go on the border first, on the extreme top here, and we'll take around 5 and a half, 5 and a half, 11. Okay, so this would be 5 and a half centimeters each. All right, so this is total 10 centimeters and each one is 5 centimeters. All right, same here. This is around 9 centimeters for me. Okay, so I need to do another 5 and a half on this side also. So I'll do that. So total would be 11 centimeters. 11 centimeters, right? Now I'm going to join all these lines. At this point, join it at this point, join it at that point, and join it at this point. So we do geometrical abstractions using proper instruments. Okay, and here I'm going to take 5 again. This is a total of 10 centimeters. I've marked out 5 and 5. I'm going to do the same for all the 4 sides. Okay, so 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 and 5. So if you do the drawing correctly only, you would be getting all this. All right, so what I can do is I can lightly join these lines. I can lightly join them Alright, don't make any line dark, let the line be light. Alright, now get the center of this line also. Alright, let's not do that. Let's join all the lines at the center. So let's join that one and let's join this one. So I've started getting my shapes, diamond shapes right now. Now we'll start off with the first diamond, starting here. So this would be my first one, first diamond shape here. Okay, now I'll join it at this point. So I would get my second one. So I need to actually erase this line here. So this would be my second diamond. Okay, so I'll go there and join this one here. So join this one here. So this would be my third diamond. I'll go and join it like I did on top here. So I get my fourth diamond. I'll erase this line. That would be the fourth one. And here I'll join this one. I'll get the fifth one. Okay, and I'll join this one here. I'll get the sixth one. So 6 diamonds to the side. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I have them already in the center. So let's erase this line. Let's erase the center line. Okay, and let's erase the one this side also, the sides and center there. So our drawing is complete. So once you get this picture, okay, so it's as easy and as quick as that. Go with the coloring. Alright, enjoy. Happy Math Day to you.